Hello everyone, I am Pushpak Pandit and you are watching me on my YouTube channel Being Bookish. So, this is the part 2 of computer application most important question for your boards 2021, and I am here to give you the most important question, around 15 to 20 questions. Okay, the part 1 was based upon class 9th syllabus, where I have given you almost 15 to 20 questions which were the expected question for 2021 boards. So if you have not watched that video, go to the iCard or go to the description box, you will find that video and prepare those questions because they are very important questions. And one more thing, I want to tell you in every video that I do not say these questions are very important questions just like this. I give you the proof, the board proof that this question was asked in the past few years, and I also mentioned the year in which it was asked. So you can definitely have faith upon my videos and you can definitely prepare yourself for those questions. Okay, now talking about this video, as I've already told, I am going to provide you 15 to 20 most important questions. So go through the questions very carefully and learn those questions. Yes, learn those questions, and I'm definitely sure that these questions, some of the other questions will definitely come in your boards. So now let's start our video. So guys, this is the part 2 which is based upon class 10th syllabus, and before proceeding to the very important question, let me tell you some of the rough questions. Rough questions, that doesn't mean that it will not come or it is not important, but this is also important and you can definitely prepare these questions. The first question is that meaning of public, private, static and void. These are the 4 terms which you need to pay attention, because there was some question in the previous year in which you need to answer what is public, what is private, and what is the difference between public and private and all that. So you definitely need to prepare this question. The second question is that what is a function, a constructor, an array and also a string. These are the 4 chapters which is basically for class 10 syllabus, and as apart from the chapter, you basically need to pay attention that what actually they are. So it may have been asked that what is a function, and you can see that constructor has been asked in ICSE 2014. Okay, so I will also repeat this question as I will move ahead in the video, but for now constructor has been asked in the ICSE 2014. And what is an array, what is a string, these are also some kind of obvious questions which you definitely need to know. Okay, now let us pay attention to the question which are from a specific chapter. The first chapter which I have considered is a function. Okay, so let's see the questions. The first question is that what are the 2 ways of invoking function, and this is an important question. Why? You can definitely say that it has been asked in the year 2011 also and in the year 2017 also, and this is an important and as well as easy question and you should know it. Okay, the second question is that difference between formal and actual parameter. It is also an important question because you can see that it has been asked twice, in the year 2016 also and in the year 2008 also. So you will see that there has been a gap of 8 years. So don't think that it will again come after 8 years. Just see that it is an important question. Okay. The third question says that write the prototype of a function check which takes an integer as an argument and returns a character. So definitely I have given you one only question that it has been asked in the year 2018, but these questions are such questions which have been asked 4 to 5 times. Okay, I just wanted to show you that how this question come, that you need to answer a prototype, and if there is any one viewer who knows this answer, you need to comment me. Okay, you need to comment me down in the description box that what is going to be the answer, and if you do not know, then also let me know in the comment section and I will provide you the answer. Okay, so this is an important question which has been asked 4 to 5 times. Obviously not the same question but in some different manner, but this is an important question. Then comes the fourth question which says that a keyword which indicates that the method has no return type. This has been asked specifically in the year 2018, and I hope that you all know this answer. I think the answer is void. Okay, so the keyword is void. The fifth question is that difference between pure and impure function. Yes, I think most of you have read this question, and if you have not read, do prepare yourself. It was specifically asked in the year 2009. The sixth question is that state two advantages of using function in a program. Yes, it is asked in the year 2010, and as I have told you that not only learn the various types of question but also learn the chapter definition also. So as function is a chapter, so first of all learn the what is a function, and here it is that what is the use of function. So if you know what is a function, and then you can definitely answer this question, that what are the advantages of using function in a program. Next, the seventh question is that differentiate between call by value and call by reference. It has been asked specifically in the year 2012, and it is an important question. Okay, and I think that you have learned the programming also, that how to use this call by value and call by reference. So prepare this question from function chapter, and now let's move ahead. Now let's see some question from class concept. The first question is that name any two access specifier. Name any two access specifier. It was asked in the year 2016. So it is an important question, do prepare it. The second question is that mention any two attributes required for class declaration. Yes, important question. And if anyone knows, then you should comment me this answer also, that what are the two attributes which are required for class declaration. Okay, so I have already provided you the answer for the second question, that the two attributes required are access specifier and class name. The spelling is quite very wrong, I know that, so forgive me for that, but the spelling is access, ACCESS. Okay, so access specifier and class name are the two attributes required which are required for class declaration. The third question which I have found for the class concept is that differentiate between base and derived class, which has been asked in the year 2008, and do prepare this question because it is an important question. Okay, so now let's see the question from constructor concept. The first question is that what is the constructor? Yes, and when it is invoked. This is the full question which was asked in the year 2014. So what is the constructor and when it is invoked? The second question is that state two features of constructor. Okay, it has been asked in the year 2010. So you basically need to have the answer for the two features, why we need a constructor and how it is helpful to us. The third question is that difference between constructor and method. So obviously it is not a question from constructor, it is a mixed question from constructor and function. For those guys who do not know what is a method, so a method is same as a function. You call it as a function also and you call it as a method also. So what is the difference between a constructor and a method? It has been asked in the year 2013, and you can definitely answer this question. Fourth question is that what are the two types of constructor? Yes, what are the two types of constructor? It was asked in the year 2015. Sorry, it was asked in the year 2015. The fifth question is that what is a parameterized constructor? I hope that most of you know this, and you can easily write the answer and you can easily give one example also. Okay, this is a basic trick that if you do not know anything, give something detail and write one example and you can expect the full marks. Okay, so this is the fifth question and the last question from constructor. Basically class 10th does not have a variety of question, mainly the theoretical question are from class 9th, but whatever I found for the class 10 I am providing you. Okay guys, so now let's see some questions from string chapter. The first question is that what is the difference between equal to means double equal to and equals this function? Okay, this is a string function and I hope you know it. So what is the difference between equal to and equals method? It was asked in the year 2016, so you can expect these type of question also. Okay, the second question which I found is that the difference between is uppercase function and to uppercase function, which was asked in the year 2018, which you can clearly see. So mainly I have written that it comes in output finding. The string chapter which you see mainly comes in output finding. You do not have variety of question, but the question which can be made are the function which you have read. All the function of the string which you have read, that only comes in the question. Now let's see some question from array concept. But before that, I want to tell you that the array chapter, the string chapter which you see, they mainly comes in output finding. You have very less amount of theoretical question for these, but whatever I found, I mentioned. There are two questions. That the first is that difference between searching and sorting, which was asked in the year 2018, and the second question is that difference between linear search and binary search, which has also been asked in the year 2018. So if you have these things in your syllabus, do prepare. Otherwise, you have your own choice that you can prepare or not. So guys, that's all from today's video. I provided you the most important question which I found and researched from the last 10 to 12 years. Okay, if you have any suggestions, do let me know in the comment section, and if the video is helpful, don't forget to like the video, and to get my upcoming videos, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, meet you in the next video. Thank you.